Hi, I'm Rich. Welcome to Rich's Slot Car Room. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell, get notified, and today we're going to be doing a Porsche 935 on a 440x2 chassis. Pretty cool car. Bring it around here and we'll check the bad boy out. Yep, here she is. Die-Hard Champion STP in Porsche. Turbo on the windshield. Orange red stripes. Black number 3. Yellow hubs. Red and orange bumper. Yeah. Pretty cool car. Swing around. Put it on the dyno. Not too bad. A little oil and it'll hit 3. Look her up here in the book. There she is up top, number 5. Turbo 3, red and orange. Pretty cool. And number 5. 85 to 94, 440 times 2, 89.54. It's a 5. It should be. They made it for 9 years. Yellow, orange, and red. Number 3. Porsche on the side and turbo on the windshield. Now they made this in '96 only. HP 440, which is basically an HP 3. It's the Mattel version of the HP of the 440 times 2. And it's available as a 3. European set sold molded yellow. And he put the number 6691 over here, but he didn't put it over here. I have no clue why. Yeah, 295. Wow. Clean these pickup shoes up a little bit here, and we'll see if we can leave them on here or not. Yeah. I reckon we probably could just leave them on. Put a little oil on it. Now she's going over 60. And now she's flying. Yeah. She just needs a little oil. Yeah, 350 on the dyno. That's real good for 40 times 2.
Yes, it is supposed to have yellow hubs. Has yellow hubs in the book.
Trying to get the scuff off the roof, but it won't come off.
Now a little more weight on it. She should hit 250, no problem. There we go. 255. 52. Yeah, not too bad. Okay, let's take this bad boy over to the track and take her for a few laps. Yes. Yeah. Camera's crooked. Pretty cool Porsche. Hope you guys liked it. Gonna have to delete about 3 minutes out of this video. You guys know why. Yeah. If you don't use your imagination. Yeah. So, pretty cool. Got yellow hubs on it. I don't know. I don't really understand this house, this condominium, why it's so frickin' filthy dirty. I clean it from top to bottom, and less than a week later, it's frickin' filthy again. There's dirt everywhere, everywhere. And I don't have the doors open. I don't open the windows up. What the hell? And I got one of those 4-inch frickin' goddamn filters on the furnace. Yeah, 4-inch. It's 4 inches thick. It's huge. Oh, they're good for 6 months. No, they're good for about 2 months, and then they're freaking black and garbage. So I just don't get why this house is so freaking filthy ass dirty. I really don't. I don't get it. There's no dirt around. It's nice green grass. It's a beautiful neighborhood, all shrubs and mulch, and it's really beautiful. All our driveways are all sealed. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful neighborhood. And this house just is so freaking dusty. I don't get it. My train, there's cobwebs and there's spider webs and there's dust everywhere down there. It's like, what the hell's going on? I have no idea. You know what? I don't even care no more. I don't give a shit. Like, whatever. Yeah. Hope you guys liked the video. Like I said, I'll be deleting about 3 minutes out of it. Track time over there. Yeah. You didn't get to see the that piece of shit run, the cop, yeah, because it don't run. This is a 120 ohm controller. Yeah, it's a 120 ohm and it's freaking floored. It's floored, and that car just goes and then it stops. I have no clue why. I don't even care no more. So yeah. So that cop car is for sale, and it runs awesome on the dyno. It runs like a typical piece of junk AFX G Plus. So it'll be for sale for $60. You guys can, I'll auction it. You guys can bid. I don't care if it goes for $90. These guys can bid on it. Starting it off at $60 because that's what I have in it. Yeah. If you guys want it, if you don't. Yeah, I'll be building a pit kit Friday. I ain't gonna make a Friday video right now. I ain't doing it. I'm pissed off and I'm having a bad day. Yeah. I had so much shit to do today. I had probably 20 things I had to do today. I had to mail Cliff's thing. I had to pack it up. Then I had to go mail it. I had to stop and get some money out of the machine at the bank. I had to go inside the bank and do some stuff. I didn't do that. I had to go to Menards. I did that. I had to go to Walmart. I did that. Yeah, my neighbor was supposed to come home. I'm supposed to go unpack him. He probably ain't coming. He probably died. Yeah, I just have no clue. Yeah. So, yeah. He's very, very old. Very old. And he's a Monsignor. So, should be going to heaven. Should be. Unless he's one of the ones that, one of the bad ones. But we won't discuss that. So, yeah. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 pit kits. They're all different except for 2 of them are Firebird, so I'm going to do the Firebird this Friday. If you don't like the Firebird and the one-on-ones, don't come in. I don't care. Whatever. And, yeah, I'm doing the Firebird. And, yeah. Alright. Yeah, it's probably, I'm going to cut about, right now it's at 19 minutes, so I'm going to be cutting some of it out. So, yeah, you guys have a good day. Have a great week. And, yeah, you guys notice these chassis I had over here? Those are all super cliffhangers, and one of them's an ultra cliffhanger. Yeah, that's an ultra cliffhanger. It's got the in the rear and in the front. It's got 2 in it, 2 guide pins. This was made by Mattel. Yeah, the toy company. Not the slot car company, the toy company. who quit making slot cars, by the way. And they all got the little hole in the back, but they don't have pins for the back. I need 5 of them. And there's probably some up in here that don't have. Probably need about 15 or 20 of them. I don't know. I don't know if I can get them at Slot Car Central or not. I may be able to. I don't know. If I can, I'll order some. If not, I won't order them. I won't look for them on eBay. Yes. Appreciate you guys coming in. And, yeah. Hope you liked the video. Leave me a comment. And give me a thumbs up. And I'll catch you guys Friday for my Friday Night Live. Later.